Do you know that sustainable decor can be both stylish and budget-friendly? With the right choices, you can create an eco-friendly home without breaking the bank. From repurposing furniture to using natural materials, there are many affordable ways to make your space greener and more sustainable. In this video, we will explore simple tips and tricks to help you achieve a beautiful, eco-conscious home on a budget. Repurpose old furniture. Repurposing old furniture is an inexpensive and environmentally friendly method to improve your house. Instead of discarding an old chair or table, consider sanding, painting, or reupholstering it. This strategy saves money while simultaneously reducing trash. Repurposed furniture has a distinct appeal, adding individuality to your room while promoting sustainability. By reusing your furniture, you help to reduce demand for new things and save natural resources. This is a simple yet efficient method for creating a personalized, eco-friendly house. Shop secondhand. One of the most cost-effective and environmentally friendly methods to decorate is to buy used items. Thrift stores, charity shops, and online markets are filled with hidden treasures. Buying pre-owned things keeps them out of landfills and gives them a second life. Second-hand decor items can have a distinct character that can bring personality to your home. Furthermore, purchasing used items lessens the environmental impact of new product manufacturing and lowers the need for new materials, making it a good, eco-friendly option for frugal consumers. Use natural materials. Using natural materials in your design is a simple approach to make your house both environmentally friendly and stylish. Wood, bamboo, jute, and linen are ecological, resilient, and biodegradable materials that are frequently less expensive than synthetic counterparts. Natural materials offer a warm and timeless ambiance, improving the aesthetics of your house while minimizing environmental impact. They are frequently sourced locally, which lowers transportation costs and reduces carbon emissions. Choosing furniture, fabrics, and accessories created from these materials promotes sustainability while bringing nature's beauty indoors in a cost-effective manner. Indoor plants. Indoor plants are a low-cost and environmentally friendly method to improve your living space. Plants naturally filter the air, making your surroundings healthier. Many low-maintenance plants, such as pothos, snake plants, and succulents, need little care and are inexpensive. Growing your own plants also minimizes the demand for plastic decor, which helps to lessen your carbon impact. Plants, when properly placed, may bring natural beauty and a refreshing touch to any area. Whether you have a green thumb or not, indoor plants are a simple way to incorporate sustainability into your home. Support local artisans. Supporting local craftspeople is an environmentally friendly choice that helps both your house and the neighborhood. Local artists frequently use environmentally friendly materials and manufacturing methods to create handcrafted, one-of-a-kind items. By purchasing their work, you may help reduce the carbon impact associated with mass manufacturing and transportation. Supporting local businesses helps to improve the local economy and promotes sustainability in your town. Local artisan products, such as handcrafted pottery, woven fabrics, and woodwork, add one-of-a-kind ecological decor to your house while also empowering small-scale artisans. Vintage pieces. Vintage decor offers character and charm while also helping to promote sustainability. Vintage objects, from furniture to accessories, are frequently composed of robust materials that survive far longer than mass-produced modern pieces. Purchasing vintage decreases the demand for fresh production, resulting in fewer resource usage and waste. These unique pieces can give your home a distinctive look, blending old-world elegance with modern style. By choosing vintage, you are not only preserving the past, but also contributing to a more sustainable, eco-friendly approach to decorating. Energy-efficient lighting. Switching to energy-efficient lighting is a simple but effective approach to cut your energy use and utility bills. LED bulbs use less energy and last longer than standard incandescent bulbs, making them a cost-effective choice. Energy-efficient lighting is also better for the environment because it reduces carbon emissions by using less electricity. Choose energy-efficient lighting fixtures for your home to help create a more sustainable environment. Making this tiny modification can have a major positive impact on both your energy bills and the environment. Upcycle textiles. Textile upcycling is a sustainable method of transforming discarded clothes or fabric scraps into new, one-of-a-kind decor pieces. Instead of discarding an old t-shirt or worn-out trousers, repurpose them as pillows, throw blankets, or wall hangings. This method not only lowers textile waste, but also allows you to make personalized, one-of-a-kind products for your house. Upcycling is a cost-effective alternative to purchasing new furnishings that reduces your environmental impact. You may simply freshen your living environment without spending money on new materials by being creative with cloth. Conclusion: creating a sustainable and elegant house does not have to be prohibitively expensive. By recycling existing furniture, shopping secondhand, utilizing natural materials, including indoor plants, supporting local craftspeople, embracing vintage pieces, converting to energy-efficient lighting, and upcycling textiles, you can create an eco-friendly space while saving money. These simple but efficient solutions not only help to minimize waste, but also contribute to a better planet. Remember that even little adjustments in your home can have a significant influence on the environment. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and comment.